I'm Elizabeth Van Zandt. I'm with the Fort Lauderdale Downtown Development Authority. We're a special taxing district here in downtown. Our mission really is to encourage private and public investment in the downtown and to make sure that we have a healthy, growing urban center in Broward County. So in this mobile workshop, we're really going to be focusing on the enhanced public spaces. We have a lot of private investment happening that's vertical, but also at the ground level. You'll see along the tour, we're going to highlight a couple of those, including Southwest 2nd Avenue Streetscape Project and some of the other mural art projects along the way. So we're looking at the marriage between the public and the private and how these new spaces really are connecting and how we're moving into the next realm of downtown living. See you at the Safe Streets 2020 Summit.